Cut in state funding, the city of Tucson is eyeing a half-cent sales tax ballot measure now.
News 4 Tucson's Isabella Fredrickson is live downtown right now with more on how this proposal would help the city of Tucson. Isabella.
Sean, Monica, this new half-cent sales tax, known as the Safe and Vibrant City measure, is set to generate over $800 million over the next 10 years. If the measure makes it to the ballot next year, the money it generates is expected to beef up our fire and police departments. One example would be buying a fixed-wing aircraft to track suspects from high altitudes to avoid dangerous police vehicle chases. In addition, it would also fund affordable housing, violence prevention, early childhood programs, and more. Councilman Paul Cunningham of Ward 2 tells me over the phone how he believes the sales tax will help improve our city and will be a good move in addressing the fentanyl crisis, something he says is one of our biggest problems.
I think this is a good package. It covers all the needs from law enforcement to housing to public safety to public health, and by doing so, it gives us an opportunity to take on the fentanyl crisis head on. This half-cent sales tax offers the opportunity to address challenges we're going to face in the future as well.
The council plans to spend $80 million a year over the next 10 years if the measure makes it out of city council. The plan calls for informational packets to be sent out in February, while they will try to persuade voters to vote yes on the measure in March of 2025. We went out and asked voters if they were willing to pay for the half-cent sales tax. Here's their reaction.
More taxes? Well, then they need to do more for the city of Tucson if more taxes are being implemented. And I'm getting taxed every which way but loose here.
I don't mind it. I really don't. Our little city really needs more mental resources, mental issues for the kids. There's so many kids there, and they're all in that drugs. I'm for the taxes. I know it's hard for everyone else, but if you're going to tax, let's see some improvements.
Now the issue will be discussed here on Wednesday, and then we will see if more discussion needs to be had or if they will move forward with the proposal. Reporting live in downtown, Isabella Fredrickson, News 4 Tucson.
Well, as Election Day gets closer and closer, campaign efforts are ramping up in battleground states, including right here.